Dear student, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now, today I am going to explain you question and answer. Topic 50 Violation of Mankind. Now first, you are fill in the blanks. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. Homo habilis could stand on 2 feet and walk. Homo habilis जो है वो अपने पैरों पर stand हो रहे थे properly और चल भी रहे थे. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. Homo habilis ने जो stone बनाए थे वो बड़े जो बिग एनिमल्स थे उसको हंटिंग करने के लिए नॉट यूजफुल थे. वो यूजफुल बेहतर तरीके से नहीं हो पा रहे थे. होमो इरेक्टस स्पीशीज लिव्ड इन ग्रुप्स. स्टूडेंट्स, इधर आप लोग कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. होमो इरेक्टस जो थे वो ग्रुप्स में रहते थे और निएंडरथल्स जो थे वो केव्स में रहते थे. ओके, होमो इरेक्टस स्पीशीज लिव्ड इन ग्रुप्स एंड नाउ द निएंडरथल्स प्राइमरली लिव्ड इन केव्स. They used leather clothing. They ate meat roasted on fire. Homo sapiens could produce a variety of sounds and modulate his voice the way he liked. Homo sapiens well developed थे. ये वेल डेवलप्ड स्पीशीज थे. ये अपने जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स के साउंड्स को प्रोड्यूस करते थे और उसको अपनी ही पसंद की वॉइस में मॉड्यूलेट करते थे. ओके, Homo sapiens could draw pictures on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. Homo sapiens की और एक क्या थी, मतलब वो जो थी खासियत वो क्या थी, ये जो पिक्चर से ड्रॉ करते थे और ऐसे लगते थे कि वो जैसे एक्चुअल ऑब्जर्वेशन जैसे एज वेल एज आप जो इमेजिन कर रहे थे वैसे ही लगती थे आपको पिक्चर्स. एंड नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. मैच द कॉलम A and column B. Homo habilis means a man who uses his hands skillfully, and Homo erectus, the man who stands erect. Neanderthal man means knew the art of making fire. Homo sapiens, intellectual man. Intellectual means intelligent. Now, answer of the match the column. Question number 3. Answer the following statements are true, false. If false, then state the correct answer. The scientist Louis Leakey named the first species of humans as Homo erectus. Your statement is false. The scientist Louis Leakey named the first species of human as Homo habilis. Homo habilis. In Latin, Homo means man. Your statement is true. And now, Homo erectus means the man who uses his hands skillfully. Your statement is false. Why? Because Homo erectus means who stands erect, and Homo habilis means false. Homo habilis means the man who can use his hands skillfully. The stone tools made by Homo habilis were not useful for hunting big animals. Your statement is true. And now, Homo erectus species live in groups. True. Homo habilis was not a forager. False. Homo habilis was a forager. Your statement is false. Homo habilis was a forager. And now, question number 4. Answer the following questions in one sentence each. Question number 1. What does Homo habilis mean? Homo habilis means the one who uses his hand skillfully. What does Homo erectus mean? Homo erectus means the one who stands erect. Who is said to have first made tools like the hand axe? Who is said? Homo erectus. Homo erectus is said to have first made tools like the hand axe. Now question number 4. Where were the remains of the Neanderthal man found? The remains of the Neanderthal man were first found at Neanderthal in Germany. How did the Neanderthal man eat roasted meat? The Neanderthal knew the art of making fire and hence ate roasted meat. Neanderthals जो थे वो फायर कैसे जलाना है वो जानते थे, इसीलिए वो रोस्टेड को मीट को रोस्ट करके खाते थे. The Neanderthal knew the art of making fire and hence ate roasted meat. Question number 6. How did the Neanderthal man communicate with each other. Neanderthal man एक दूसरे से कैसे communicate करते थे? The Neanderthals communicated with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds. Question number 7. What does Homo sapiens means? Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. Homo sapiens means intelligent or intellectual man. Now question number 8. What are Homo sapiens known as in England? इंग्लैंड में Homo sapiens को क्या कहते हैं? Cro-Magnon man. What is heredity? The appearance and health characteristics of human beings which indicate their similarities to their ancestor is known as heredity. यानी जो है ना सिमिलैरिटीज टू ह्यूमन बींग्स में जो सिमिलैरिटीज है वो ही हमारी हेरिडिटी है. व्हाट इज जेनेटिक्स? जेनेटिक्स इज द साइंस दैट स्टडीज हेरिडिटी. जेनेटिक क्या है? हेरिडिटी के बारे में जो साइंस स्टडीज करती है वो ही जेनेटिक है. ओके, गिव रीजंस फॉर द फॉलोइंग. द नियंडरथल बिकेम एक्सटिंक्ट. नियंडरथल आहिस्ता आहिस्ता खत्म हो रहे थे. क्यों? तो द नियंडरथल्स एंड होमो सैपियंस वे नेबर्स. नियंडरथल्स और होमो सैपियंस जो थे वो एक दूसरे के नेबर्स थे यूरोप में. इट इज बिलीव दैट ड्यू टू रीजन like conflict with Homo sapiens and their inability to adapt to environmental changes, the Neanderthal became extinct. Humans could produce subtle and varied types of sounds. Their jaws and muscles inside the mouth were well developed and the tongue was flexible. Hence, they could produce subtle and varied types of sounds. Thank you students. I hope you are understood.